Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to redesign, or should I say slightly improve, the BMW 2 Series Active Tourer. It's the second generation MPV from BMW and is available on the market from February 2022. Different engine choices are available, ranging from petrol, diesel and a variety of PHEV powertrains. In general, the car got a couple of millimeters longer, wider and higher than the first generation. In terms of package, it's a front-wheel drivetrain and it defines already a lot of its proportions and position of the main volumes. Talking about design, let's analyze quickly its proportions. Like mentioned previously, its powertrain leads almost automatically to the vehicle outline that it has. Very cab-forward design, but with a combination of the fast front windscreen and also quite angled rear screen that helps the car to look a bit more dynamic and sporty, especially compared to its rivals like Mercedes B-Class or Volkswagen Golf sports van. The drivetrain defines as well the quite short and high sitting hood. The long front overhang is balanced out through the additional length of the rear and helps to increase the space in the cabin. The side feature line, which repeats the lower graphic of the side window and dives into the front wheel arch, creates a lot of wedge on the body side. Through this design element, the car looks more dynamic and creates a feeling of a sporty van. But exactly this is an interesting question. Should a van look sporty, or should it look more traditional, boxy and honest without even trying to look sporty? I guess everybody has a different take on that. In my case, if I would want to buy a sporty van, I definitely would consider the BMW offering. In terms of redesign, I cleaned up the front, deleted the strangely shaped silver part in the side intake, created more distinctive lamp graphic with internals and separated the kidney grille. Additionally, I got rid of the chrome parts because I think it makes the car in this category look cheap, especially if it's very thick piece of plastic, like in our example. A lot of chrome on a modern car reminds me most of the time of some old-timers or very ancient times in car design. Changing the front area of the side window allows to create a connection with one line running through the front and back into the side window. The feature line underneath it emphasizes the wedge direction of the car. To bring the car into balance, I create an undercut and a more horizontal soft shoulder, which should visually stabilize the design through the highlight. Changing slightly the wheel size and position them closer to the corners will give the car better stance and typical BMW look, even if it's an MPV. In this redesign, my aim was to keep the main design elements and only adjust the theme towards the desired direction. In my case, the car looks more modern, clean, without unnecessary chrome parts and well-proportioned grille. Large but simple side intakes on the front accentuate the sportiness of the brand ambitions. As always, let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on the second generation of the BMW 2 Active Tourer, and was it a good idea for BMW to start building cars in that segment. Thank you for watching, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.